Stock splits don't happen every day, especially with an ETF like SCHD. But now that the 3:1 split is on the horizon, how can smart investors capitalize on this rare event? This is Prosperity Pulse Point, and today we have some exciting news about one of the most popular dividend ETFs on the market, SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. If you're not familiar with it, SCHD is known for its strong dividend payouts and long-term growth potential, making it a favorite among income-focused investors. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, this ETF has something to offer for everyone. Now, let's talk about the big news that has the market buzzing. SCHD is about to undergo a 3:1 stock split on October 10, 2024. What does that mean for you? Essentially, for every one share you currently own, you'll soon have 3 shares. But before you get too excited, remember, while the number of shares will triple, the total value of your investment stays the same. For example, if you own 1 share at $90, after the split, you'll have 3 shares valued at $30 each. The math adds up, but the split can make SCHD more affordable and accessible for a wider range of investors. Stick around as we dive deeper into why this stock split matters and how it could be a game changer for your portfolio. Chapter 1. Why Schwab is splitting SCHD. Now, you might be wondering, why is Schwab splitting SCHD in the first place? Well, the decision to split this ETF is actually a strategic move that benefits both the company and investors like you. Schwab isn't just splitting SCHD. They're also splitting a number of their other ETFs. But why now? First off, Schwab wants to make SCHD and other ETFs more affordable for everyday investors. Right now, SCHD trades around $90 per share, which might be a bit pricey for some investors who don't have access to fractional shares. After the 3:1 split, each share will trade at around $30, which lowers the barrier to entry. This allows more people to buy into the ETF without having to invest large sums of money up front. But there's another key reason: liquidity. By increasing the number of shares on the market, Schwab is making it easier for investors to buy and sell SCHD shares without larger price fluctuations. This increased liquidity also extends to options trading, making the ETF more attractive to traders looking for new strategies. In simpler terms, Schwab's goal with this stock split is to bring in more investors, improve trading flexibility, and ensure that the ETF continues to grow steadily. With these benefits in mind, the timing of the split couldn't be better as more people are looking to invest in dividend-paying assets, like SCHD. Chapter 2. Impact of the stock split on investors. Now that we know why Schwab is splitting SCHD, let's talk about what this actually means for you as an investor. The 3:1 stock split brings several key benefits that can potentially enhance your portfolio. And these benefits go beyond just seeing more shares in your account. First, let's discuss options trading, if you're into trading options or are considering it. This stock split opens new doors. Before the split, to sell one options contract on SCHD, you'd need to own 100 shares. At a price of $90 per share, that's a hefty $9,000 investment just to get started. But after the split, with the share price reduced to around $30, that barrier drops significantly to just $3,000. This lower entry point makes options trading far more accessible to a broader range of investors. You'll be able to sell options and participate in strategies like covered calls with much less capital. Beyond options, there's the affordability factor. With SCHD trading at a lower price after the split, it's not just high net worth investors who can afford to build positions. Newer or smaller investors can now buy into SCHD with smaller amounts of money. This could bring a flood of new investors to the ETF, driving up demand and potentially the price. Then there's liquidity, which is another key benefit. Stock splits typically increase the total number of shares available for trading, and more shares means it's easier to buy and sell without big swings in price. This added liquidity can also tighten the bid-ask spread on options, making trade more cost-effective. Lastly, there's the psychological impact. While a stock split doesn't change the fundamental value of the ETF, lower priced shares often attract more investors, especially those who prefer buying whole shares. This can lead to increased buying activity, which may in turn boost the ETF's performance. All in all, this split makes SCHD more accessible, more tradable, and more attractive. Key factors that could benefit your portfolio in the long run. Chapter 3. Opportunities for Dividend Investors. For dividend-focused investors, the SCHD stock split brings even more exciting opportunities. SCHD is already known for its solid dividend payouts, and while the stock split won't directly increase your dividend income, it can still offer some interesting advantages. First, let's get one thing straight. After the split, the dividend per share will decrease in line with the split. For example, if you're currently receiving $3 per share annually, after the 3:1 split, that amount will drop to around $1 per share. But since you'll own 3 times as many shares, the total dividend income remains the same. So while the payout per share looks smaller, the overall value isn't affected. But here's where the opportunity lies. By making the ETF more affordable, the split could attract more dividend investors. When more people buy into SCHD, demand increases, which can lead to a better performance over time. This, in turn, could boost the value of your investment. Plus, SCHD has a history of dividend growth. Over the past decade, the ETF has not only maintained its dividend payouts, but increased them at an impressive rate of around 12% annually. This means that, even though the per-share dividend might seem lower right after the split, SCHD's potential for future dividend growth is still strong. If you're a long-term investor focused on building passive income, this is great news. The stock split allows you to earn more shares, benefit from future dividend growth, and potentially capitalize on an ETF that has consistently rewarded its investors. In short, the split opens the door to more investors, which could drive even stronger dividend performance in the years to come. Chapter 4. Potential Risks and Considerations. While the SCHD stock split brings many benefits, it's important to also consider the potential risks involved. Like any investments, there are always factors that could affect your returns. First, let's talk about market volatility. Although stock splits often attract new investors and boost liquidity, they don't guarantee long-term price increases. The stock market can be unpredictable, and external factors like economic downturns, interest rate changes, or broader market corrections could impact SCHD's performance. So, while the split may create short-term excitement, it doesn't shield you from market risks. Another point to consider is the psychological effect of a lower share price. Sometimes, investors may perceive a stock split as an automatic win, but that's not always the case. Yes, you'll own more shares, but remember, the overall value of your investment remains the same. It's important not to confuse having more shares with having more wealth. The true value of your investment will still depend on SCHD's long-term growth and dividend performance. Additionally, while the split reduces the cost of entry, it could introduce more speculative investors who may not be committed for the long term. This could lead to higher price fluctuations if those investors decide to sell quickly. Lastly, consider that dividends per share will decrease in line with the split. Though your total dividend income remains the same, seeing a lower per share payout could feel like a drawback to some. As with any investment, it's essential to stay informed and focus on your long-term strategy. Chapter 5. Strategies for maximizing gains after the split. Now that you understand the benefits and risks, let's talk about how to make the most out of SCHD's stock split. One strategy you might consider is dollar cost averaging. By regularly paying SCHD shares, especially while the price is lower post-split, you can smooth out market volatility and build a larger position over time without worrying about timing the market. Another approach is leveraging options trading. With a lower share price, options like covered calls or selling puts become much more accessible for smaller investors. If you're comfortable with options, this could be a way to generate extra income from your SCHD position without needing a large upfront investment. Lastly, reinvesting dividends is a smart way to grow your portfolio. As you receive dividends from SCHD, consider reinvesting them to accumulate even more shares, which can boost your future dividend income. By following these strategies, you can capitalize on the stock split to potentially maximize your returns. Chapter 6. Conclusion. So, to sum it all up, SCHD's 3:1 stock split presents a unique opportunity for both new and seasoned investors. The split lowers the cost of entry, increases liquidity, and makes options trading more accessible, all while maintaining the ETF's strong dividend history. However, it's important to remember that a stock split doesn't guarantee automatic gains, and market risks still exist. For long-term investors focused on dividends and steady growth, SCHD remains an attractive option. By using smart strategies like dollar cost averaging and dividend reinvestment, you can make the most of this split and maximize your future gains. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on more investment tips and market news, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Oh, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one!